And welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I really enjoy doing these podcasts. A whole lot better. I did a 1-hour radio talk show for 20 years. Let's Talk Real Estate. And it was the number one talk show in the market at the time. But you get 110 years old, you don't want to be at one place every week at the same time and doing the same thing. And I love these little short podcasts. I don't know how many of these I've done, but they're doing very well. All right, welcome back. And I want to apologize, those of you who read the title to this particular podcast. I think it's something like How to Make Money in Real Estate and Not Work. How offensive is that? If you're a licensed realtor, then you're working your tail off. I know that, okay? So I'm not talking about those in real estate making a living at it, working, okay? What I'm talking about is something I get surprised that people don't know about. And every week I talk to agents around the country trying to make decisions what to do. My agents, the company I own, referral companies, referral real estate companies. What is a referral real estate company? I mean, if you can make 10, 20, 30,000 extra a year and not work. Now you may say, well, that's not a lot. Give my wife $10,000 and see what she does. Your real estate companies, you get licensed, you come in, you work, or whatever. You're looking at, in Louisiana anyways, you're looking at about $2,000 a year, roughly. Total cost might be $3,000 a year with some companies, but renewal fees, errors and omissions, insurance, all that stuff, $2,000 to $3,000 a year, total cost and everything. And people say, well, I don't know if it's worth it or not because I'm, not doing well or whatever. A referral company is a company that you go to, you get your license. Now, to get your real estate license in Louisiana, and it's probably not far different from other states, you're looking at $400, $300-400. You go online to get a real estate school. There are great live classes out there, but a lot of people go online, a couple $100 for the real estate school. Then you go take the state exam. That's a couple $100 or so total with everything. So ballpark $300-400, and you're a legally licensed realtor. Now, you join a regular company and pay all the dues and fees and everything. You're looking at $2,000-3,000 a year in fees monthly and all kinds of stuff and everything. A referral company is a company that you can join, and you're legally licensed, but you're not active. You don't go list, you don't go sell, you don't go working. You do your job, whatever you want to do. You simply refer somebody that wants to buy or sell to a real estate company, and you get a referral fee. The average referral fee, now I have a referral company separate from my major real estate company, and we pay probably above average referral fee and 80% commission in it. But on an average deal, that referral fee might be $1,000-1,500. And that could be average. Some of you in California or Florida or New York, that could be $3,000-4,000 in your pocket on a referral. The question is, do you go through a year and do you know somebody that is planning on buying a home or selling a home or buying land or selling land, buying a building, selling a building, family, friends, you yourself, your families, thinking about selling your house and buying another house, moving up. All you got to do is refer it to a active realtor. Now we ask, they can refer from my referral company, they can refer it to I've got the number one real estate company in Northeast Louisiana, they can refer it to my real estate company agent, or they can refer it, if somebody's moving to to Baton Rouge or New Orleans or Lake Charles, whatever, they can refer it out there. They can refer it anywhere they want to and get a referral fee on it. But an average deal in this market, they're going to get $1,000-$1,500 in your pocket just by referring a buyer or a seller. Okay? Now, the total cost in a referral company in Louisiana, a little over $200 a year total. Okay? After you get your license, $300-$400, get your license, then at the end of every year you have to pay your renewal fee with the state, I don't know, $80 or something like that. And then the state errors and emissions insurance. It's all at one time, but a little over $200 total, and that's it, okay? There's no monthly fees, there's no extra fees, there's no nothing. It's just that once a year. If you can make $1,500 at one time, is that worth it? You know? Somebody's buying a home and selling a home, you walk away $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 on that one deal. I've seen people with full-time jobs that got their license going into referral companies, and they're on social media saying, I am a licensed real estate agent. Please give me a call and I'll help you, support you, whatever. And then they acknowledge in honesty that their job is to refer you to a quality agent. And that happens all the time. Somebody sells a house and they're moving to California, and they ask us, do you know a good quality agent we can trust in California? We say, sure, because we got a list, and we know the ones that are recommended. So a couple $100 a year, and forget it. Pick up some extra money, okay? Your wife needs it. God bless you.